What are the main differences between all-purpose flour, Atta, and Maida?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be exploring the main differences between all-purpose flour, Atta, and Maida. These three types of flours are commonly used in various culinary applications around the world, but they do have distinct characteristics that set them apart. So, let's dive in and uncover what makes each of them unique.
What is all-purpose flour?
To begin, let's talk about all-purpose flour. As the name suggests, it is a versatile flour that can be used for a wide range of baking and cooking purposes. All-purpose flour is a blend of hard and soft wheat grains, which gives it a balanced protein content. This flour typically undergoes a refining process that removes the bran and germ, resulting in a fine, light texture.
Exploring Atta.
Moving on to Atta, a type of flour commonly used in Indian cuisine, particularly for making chapatis and other traditional breads. Atta is made from durum wheat, which is known for its high protein and gluten content. Unlike all-purpose flour, Atta is stone ground, preserving the bran and germ, and giving it a coarser texture and a slightly nutty flavor. This flour is often preferred for its nutritional value and ability to produce soft and fluffy breads.
Understanding Maida.
Finally, let's discuss Maida, which is widely used in Indian and South Asian cooking, particularly for making pastries, cakes, and other baked goods. Maida is a finely milled, refined wheat flour that is derived from the endosperm of the wheat grain. The refining process removes the bran and germ, resulting in a flour with a finer texture and a high starch content. Maida is known for its ability to produce light, airy, and crispy baked goods. And there you have it, the main differences between all-purpose flour, Atta, and Maida. All-purpose flour is a versatile option with a balanced protein content, while Atta is stone ground and made from durum wheat, providing a coarser texture and nutty flavor. On the other hand, Maida is a finely refined flour that is ideal for producing light and crispy baked goods. Remember, the choice of flour depends on the specific culinary application you have in mind. Whether you're baking bread, making pastries, or creating traditional Indian dishes, understanding these differences will help you achieve the desired results in your recipes. Happy cooking and baking! Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care and happy cooking!